Welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I have a new tip to design a portfolio for applying a new job or for do something special for who looking for a new job. If it's your first time, please subscribe and turn on the notification to get another tutorial. If you have a question, let me know in the comment. So let's get started to the video. In this portfolio, I spread it to 7 pages. They are cover page, profile about me, education, experience, my skills, my artworks, contact for work, reference. Before design, the first step we have to do is create a new document. For create a new document, we go to File and click on New. And for another way, we Ctrl N. The other side I used before, we can see it's Save, Photo, Print, Art Illustration, Web, Mobile, Film. And if you want to make by your own side, please take a look to read the detail. Okay. The text I selected is the name of document. For here I choose centimeters. Width I put 14. Height I put 7. I will design on many pages, so I click on Artboard. Resolution I put 300 pixel inch. Color mode RGB 8-bit. Background content I put white. Color profile I put sRGB. Sphere pixel and create. The first page is cover page. Okay. I rename on it first. Double click on it and put the name. I insert the background. I drop this one. Right click and click on rotate 90 degree. For this background, I download it from a website. It is Pinterest. You can click link on description. Let I show you. This is Pinterest. You can click here to search something what you want. Okay, I back. It's look like price. I want to make it dark, so I just add exposure to it. Click here and click on exposure. Right click and create clipping mask and decrease exposure. For next step, I add text. I use text tool. I put portfolio. I change it to white. And I change font as well. I use impact regular. I add one more text. I add letter O. I right click on letter O and erase the right tab. And next step, I use the tool. And click delete key on the keyboard. Ctrl D to deselect. I want to make it 2, so I Ctrl J to make copy. Ctrl T, right click and choose vertical. I need to save this document, so I go to File, choose Save or Save As, and choose the place you want to save. I put here and click Save. Okay. I add one more text. I use text tool again, and you can tab or Ctrl V to paste. I use the text. The name of font is Oswald. Okay, I add another text. I change color to yellow. I change font it as well. I use hardstone font. Next up, I use curvature pen tool. Fill, I choose no fill, and stroke, I choose this color. And now we finish on cover page. For each page is profile about me. Okay. For add a new page, we just click on the layer and click on here. Okay. I add a solid color. I click here. I choose solid color. The color I choose black. I insert a texture background, this, and I download it from Pinterest as well. Click on rotate 90 degrees. Opacity of it, I put only 20. I just tap number 2 on the keyboard. Next up, I add a new rectangle. I choose no stroke, and the color I choose white, and I will mask a picture to it. So I insert a picture. Right click and create clipping mask. I want to make this picture black and white, so I click here and I go to add black and white. Right click and create clipping mask. And next up, I add text over here, so I use text tool. You can tap and Ctrl V to paste. For font, hardstone, and I change color like that, and I put arrow doodle over here. Okay, and now we finish on page 2. I rename on it. The third is education. I add a new artboard over here. I rename on it. I add a solid color. I insert a texture. I tap number 2 on the keyboard to put opacity 20%. I add a line. I use line 2. Stroke, I choose yellow, put 5. And style, I choose this one. Okay. And I add text over here. I copy this doodle from the previous page. Just click on it and Ctrl C to copy. And click on the place you want to paste and Ctrl V. Okay, now we finish on education. We add one more. I add a solid color. I put black color. And I copy the texture from the previous page. Click on it, Ctrl C to copy, and Ctrl V to paste. Okay. I copy this line as well. Ctrl V to paste. I copy this doodle. Next page is my skills. Rename on it. I copied the background from education. For next page is my advert. I add new artboard. I add a solid color. And I copy texture background and line from experience artboard. And I add text and picture. I rename on it. And for the last page is contact forward and reference. I rename on it. I add a solid color. I add texture background, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. I add text and contact. Okay, finished. This is my portfolio. And final step, we export all artboard. For export, we locate to the layer panel and select all artboard, right click and export as. For format, we choose JPEG and click on export and choose the place you want to export. I create a new folder and select folder. Okay, finished. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get another tutorial. See you next video.